Rutledge with sustainablethree. Welcome to your morning mindfulness. Today we're going to be attempting mindful smelling. So hopefully you remembered to bring something to smell, like a lemon or an orange or some coffee. I have some coffee beans in here. Or if you have aromatherapy oils, just something to smell. It'd be good if you had two different scents, because we're going to be comparing how our bodies feel when we smell those two things today. If you want to take a moment and go get something to smell, if you didn't bring anything, that's great. I'll give you a few seconds to go do that. And it could be a book. It could be breakfast. It could be your freshly washed laundry. Anything is fine. A flower. Excuse me. Okay, just to begin to get centered and grounded, we're going to do a 2-minute breathing exercise. Sorry, clearing my throat so much. Okay, so hopefully by now you've gotten anything to smell. One or two things. Awesome. So let's just start with turning our mindful bodies on, heavy from the waist down, light from the waist up, and getting centered. Excuse me. Wiggle your bottom so that you feel secure in your seat, and close your eyes. Good morning. Close your eyes. And let's breathe. So let's breathe in, 2, 3, 4, 5, and out 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and breathe in and out. If you've just joined us, we're just doing a 2-minute breathing exercise, so just sitting still, eyes closed, hands can be in your lap. Breathing in for 5 seconds and out for 8 seconds at your own pace. And if at any time you are not comfortable closing your eyes, you can just gaze down at the floor with your eyes relaxed enough to blink, continuing to breathe, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your jaw. We have about 1 more minute to go. Just relaxing, letting your glitter settle. I've talked about if you were a snow globe or a glitter jar, water with glitter in it, and I shook you up and then set you down, the snowflakes or glitter would be settling down to the bottom. So we want to imagine our nervous system is like that, and we're just trying to release any tension and just find that still small space within. Keep breathing. Okay. If you just started watching this morning, we're doing mindful smelling. So what we want to do, and if you want to replay this later, that's awesome. We're just going to take 2 items today. So I have a lemon, and ideally this would be cut open, but you're just going to close your eyes and just smell. And just notice your salivary glands you start getting spit in your mouth, essentially, because your body knows this is sour. So whatever you're smelling, think of, just notice how you feel when you smell that. So if it's clean laundry, for me, that's like relief, because it's like, oh, it's already done. The clothes are clean, just smells really nice and fresh. If it's citrus, again, you're Salivary glands are going to start doing their job because they know food is coming. If you want to watch the mindful eating video, you can get a little more information about that. And if it's a flower at this time of year, maybe in the northern hemisphere, maybe that helps you have hope for spring. If it's like my daughter made banana bread yesterday, the smell of banana bread just makes you feel home and a little hungry, right? So what coffee is helpful for, in addition to helping us feel a little more awake and alert, is it's a olfactory, which means your nose, reset aroma. So when we smell this, between our two scents, so I've got my orange and my lemon, smell this in between, this resets my nose basically. So when I smell my orange, or if I smell, I've got some peppermint aromatherapy oil here today. I smell that, completely different smell, hits my body a little bit differently. When I smell peppermint, it helps me feel awake, alert. Peppermint is an excellent thing to have in a diffuser or in a bowl of water when you have a headache or if you're needing to focus. A lot of people are doing online learning right now, so that's a really great aroma to have around while you're trying to do your online work today or any day. And it helps with headaches. Lavender helps you relax and helps you go to sleep at night. We're under a lot of stress right now, so lavender is super helpful for that. There are a bunch of different aromas that can be amazing, but what we're doing today is just noticing how our body feels when we smell the different aromas. So hopefully by now you've smelled one and then had a little break and then smelled another, and just observe. And then just as you go through your days, just see if you can notice where in your nose, like they talk about a bouquet, when you smell wine or coffee or tea, where do you notice in your nose that smell, that aroma is hitting your body? How does it feel? How does it make you feel? What smells do you like? What aromas do you not like? I hope you found that helpful. Thanks for joining me this morning. Have a great day.